I know, I know. It's been a minute, but people have lives, so I wanted to make this video to basically help people out there who's trying to gain some weight, because it's hard going to the gym. It's hard taking whatever people do, and some people just don't have the money to go buy it. So I was watching somebody's video, and she was talking about this protein powder, but I'm not taking it for the proteins. I'm taking it for the calories. The main thing with gaining weight is calorie intake. So the more calories you take in, the more weight you gain. And people with fast metabolism, it's hard to keep those calories because you just burning them. The minute you put in is the minute you burning it, and it's hard as shit. Like me, since I know myself, I always gain 110 pounds. Then when I got pregnant, I added 30. So no, I was at 130, so I gained 20 pounds. And as soon as I had her, I dropped that 30 pounds quicker than, I don't even know what to say. I dropped it so quick, and I went right back to 110 pounds. So I have no luck in gaining weight. The only time I ever gained weight was when I was pregnant, and I'm just a skinny ass person. So I said I was gonna go to the gym and put on some muscle weight. It's not working because I'm not consistent with shit. So I said I'm gonna try Apetamin. I have my friend, she's staying with me for a couple months. She's trying Apetamin. I took it. When I first took it, it didn't make me drowsy, because I think I'm naturally drowsy. I'm always sleepy, always sleepy. So that didn't make a difference. It didn't really, the first day it made me hungry, but then after that, I'm like, So Apetamin, it kind of works, but then you have to go and get the food. That's the problem. You have to go and find all of those foods with the high calories. That's the problem. And I don't have time to be freaking those type of people, what reading the back of packets. So anywho, I came across this video and I started watching it, and I went to the vitamin store and I found it. So this is basically how I gained 9 pounds in like a week and a half by this. Cha-ching! Cha-ching, cha-ching. This. It has, so basically, I guess the regular intake for people each day is like, I don't know, 1,500, between 1,000 and 2,000. That's the regular intake of calories each day for regular people. So this alone has 1,260, and it's big. And so you basically make a smoothie. It's 2.5 scoops. The scoops are big. Oh my gosh, let me show you. So I don't know if it's big on camera, but that's one scoop. So it's 2.5 of this. That's a lot. It's a lot. So 2.5 of that. You could just do that with water, but because I don't like to eat, I put everything with the smoothie. So I add 2.5 scoops of this. That's 1,260 calories. Let me go ahead and calculate it for y'all meanwhile. So 1,260 plus I add oats, and a half a cup is 150 calories. That's just a half a cup. So I add 3 cups. So plus 150 equals plus 150 plus 150. So that's 1,710 calories already. And then plus I add some Oreos. I mean, y'all could add whatever you want, but I just add everything. 3 Oreos is 160, so I add 6. So That's 60 plus 160. So that's already 2,030 calories. Then I add this coconut oil is finished, but 1 tablespoon is 150 calories. So I add 2 tablespoons. So that's 1,330 calories. And milk. I use regular water, like this whole bottle is good enough for the whole shake. So you pour a full bottle of water in the blender, and then you pour everything else with it, and it makes it thick, really thick. But you could add more water if you want it to be runny. But if you don't want to add water, you can add milk, because milk is more calories. But I don't know how much calories that is for a whole, I don't know how much ounces this is, but you get the point. And you could add. But basically, when I'm done with this shake, I have about 2,500 calories in that one shake. And then you're not just taking that shake by itself. You have to eat. So what I try to do, when I get up, I try my best. It's hard as hell, but I try my best to finish the shake before 12 p.m. So the rest of the day I could just eat whatever, and whatever I'm eating is adding on more calories to that shake. But I'm telling you, how thick I make this shake is hard. It's hard to drink it. So sometimes it be lasting me all the way till night. But in all of this full bottle, plus everything that I add, fills this. And this is, I fill it all the way to the top. So it's please don't mind my nails, please. It's 32 ounces, but I fill it all the way to the brim. But I try to finish this whole thing by 12. I try. But it works. It's all about calories, and I'm just not in the mood to eat. I'm not that type of person that wants to feel full all the time. So I'm not in the mood to eat. So if I could get everything in a shake, all my calories in a shake, and just finish that shake and then eat whatever, I'm good. So honestly, no lie, lately I haven't been consistent with it, but I'm getting back on my shit. But the first time I took this, within a week and a half, I gained 9 pounds. I was so freaking happy. I was so happy. But my goal is probably 100 because at first my goal was 120, and I'm at 120 now, and I'm like, And then when I was pregnant, I liked the way I looked when I was pregnant. That was 130, so I think my goal is honestly like 160, 170. But with this, I'm gonna get there by the end of this year. So I just wanted to share that with y'all, my folks out there who is having a hard freaking time gaining weight. And I forgot to say, basically, I would suggest y'all trying to reach a minimum of 3,000 calories each day, because if the regular is between 1,000 and 2,000, you want to hit like 3,000, 3,500. They'll put the weight on quicker. So if you go over 3,000 each day, you're gonna be packing on that weight within no time. So if y'all could do that, props to y'all. And what else? And one thing, when you start gaining weight, it goes straight to your belly. So you want to exercise, even if you don't want to exercise your full body, at least do some ab workouts so you could keep that stomach flat meanwhile. But you'll start noticing it's gonna go there first. But even though it goes there, at least you're starting to put on the weight, but just work it off from the belly. But like I said, I think this is the easiest way of gaining weight. I mean, you could try the Apetamin, but you gotta go out and get the food after. That's the problem. So yeah, so I want y'all to try this, and if y'all do and it's working for you, or if it's not working for you or something, let me know. Comment down below. And thank y'all so much for clicking on this video. I know we're not consistent, but I'm gonna try. And then the laptop, the battery had broke, so I'm just coming from Best Buy, buying a new battery, and I'm gonna edit this and upload this today. So thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and tune for the next video. Hopefully it won't be another year from now.